Hey guys, how's it going? Today we're going to be installing a remote air chuck, basically, or air input into the back of the bed of my Raptor here. I'm going to go over the parts we need, but just so you guys know, I have a 2019 Raptor, and I will link the other video in the description of what I did, but here's my ARB right here. It's just a single. And right now I just gotta come under here if I want to air up my tires and flip this, and here's my air tool right here, or air chuck right here. So what I'm gonna do though is I'm gonna run a line from here up there, trying to figure out the best way to do this, whether I go from the front, wheel well here or go over the frame. Still trying to figure out the best way to go about this here, but that's what we're gonna do. So we're out there, and I'll link this video of how I installed this right here in the description. Okay, so what you guys are gonna need today, I decided to go 1/4 inch. I got a 1/4 inch hose, 25 feet. I'm gonna end up having to cut at Harbor Freight. I think it was 17 or 18 bucks, so not too bad. You're gonna need 1/4 inch inner diameter NPT thread. This right here is called a bulkhead fitting. So again, it's 1/4 inch into actually there. So I'll show you about that in a minute here too. This is 1/4 inch NPT. This is what's going to go into the bulkhead. This is what my air hose is going to actually clip onto. Then we're going to also, and I got this right here because I'm trying to figure out how I'm going to run this right here. It's a 1/4 inch, just basically 90 degree. So 1/4 inch male and then 1/4 inch female there. And also because I'm going to have to cut my hose here, this is just right here, so I can make my other 1/4 inch fitting on the inside. So let me kind of show you what I'm thinking, how I'm going to go about this here. Okay, so here, this right here is the bulkhead. Pretty straightforward. We're gonna have to drill a hole and basically put this in. So this side will be sticking out. This is going to go back behind, so I can tighten it down. Basically is all this is for right here. So once I tighten it down, I will have my air chuck, or air fitting I should say, coming out this way. So this will be sticking out, and then I will have my 90 degree behind it. And this is basically how it'll be set up. So I'll have air coming in this way and then coming out over here. That's where I'm going to clip into. So the reason I did the 90 degrees, I think where I'm going to put it, and I'll show you here in a minute, I think it would hit if I put that hose, you know, basically sticking out, if you will. There's a lot of length there. So where I think I'm gonna put this here, because I've kind of spent some time trying to figure this all out here, and I'm trying to do this one hand. I think I'm gonna put it basically back over here, and I kind of want to do it fairly high, just so if I'm tying anything down, it's not in the way of some of these tie downs here. Plus, you know, then I can just put the air hose just kind of out over the truck, and I can get to each tire on every side and everything. Okay, yeah, when you guys go to pull this out, be careful. There are two little kind of nipples that stick in here, and they kind of got to pop out, so just be careful you don't break that. And then the wiring harness, of course. So here's what we got inside here to kind of show you what we're working with and where I'm thinking about getting that hole drilled, basically right up in here. And that would be on the back side right here. I kind of want to go higher, but we got that in the way. That was the other option. I could have maybe come out here, but I'm thinking by the time this is sticking out, man, I don't know if that's going to be something that can be caught on, you know, because it'd almost be like that. It's actually not too bad, but again, we have so much room to work with here, so that's why we might just have to go almost a little lower because of this, you know. So I'm going to go ahead and drill the hole. Yeah, I think I did mention here, you do need a step bit. You guys use it at Harbor Freight right here. Pretty cheap, and I think I need to go down, and I'll let you guys know, but I'm thinking 13/16 is where I need to go down to get this bulkhead basically to fit inside here. Pull this off. So this piece is going to go in once I get that hole, this thing will go in straight and be flat there. And then I'll be able to tighten back down on that nut right there. So let me drill the hole and we'll see if this works here. All right guys, I'm gonna go ahead and put